So there's a lot of strategy involved in high-level winks. When I'm looking at a shot, if it's a simple shot one-on-one, you just sort of line up, trying to get the pressure right. If it's a shot where it's on a pile, you'll have to look and try and evaluate what's going to happen when your squidger hits the pile.
So if I try to squop a wink and I miss, they can squat me back, or they could even do worse.
Patience is a virtue and a strategy.
Every once in a while, there'll be like a really stupid looking shot, but it sort of just calls to you, says, you're going to make it. You sort of just get a feeling like, this is the shot that I need to do. Don't think too much, just get ready, shoot, and go. I figure, okay, I've done it before. The less you think, the better off you are sometimes. I didn't really know about the game. It was something in the write-up that just spoke to me. It said, you need to do this.
I thought it was kind of a joke. I checked off baseball, skydiving, and Tiddlywinks. I figured that covered the gamut from the traditional to the extreme to the ridiculous.
And I just showed up, played a little bit in the gym, and then bought a mat and set and just started playing.
We played all the time. We went to tournaments, took me to other places. I just enjoyed it.
Those simple pieces of equipment, a mat, a couple of plastic discs, becomes this intricate, fascinating game of skill, luck, and strategy. It's a huge piece of my life, and it's added greatly.
So the competitive tournament game of Tiddlywinks has 4 colors. Blue and red are playing against green and yellow. It can be either played as a singles game or as a pairs game. It's played on a 3-foot by 6-foot table with a felt mat of a certain quality of resilience.
You use a larger plastic disc to shoot with. The word for the shooter in Tiddlywinks is a squidger. It's like golf clubs, different ones for different types of shots.
Around the center of the pot is the primary place you want to control the territory. If your partnership has more winks in a particular area, you have better control.
It's like playing a game of chess, only you have to shoot your piece to where you want it to go. So you might know what the right move is, but if you don't shoot your piece to the proper position, you're at a disadvantage and it could be a bad shot for you.
I'm 71. How many more years I can play at the top level is yet to be seen. But this Winks community over the last 54 years has been one of the greatest experiences of my life.
It's the people, it's the uniqueness. I've had so much enjoyment playing the game.
It's just a great bunch of people. I met them, in college, and I've known these people all my adult life.
And it's been Tiddlywinks that brings us together 2, 3, 5, 8 times a year for decades. And these are the friends we've kept, people who play the same word game.